Governor Tony Evers says the FDA's announcement to give the Pfizer vaccine full approval for people 16 and older will also encourage more people to get vaccinated.
It could also encourage more mask mandates, and employers now have more solid ground for requiring that their workers receive the shot. AJ Bayapur talked to an expert on labor law about what does and does not change with today's announcement.
For employers considering a vaccine requirement, employment attorney Troy Thompson says the Pfizer vaccine getting full FDA approval has no impact from a strictly legal perspective. However,
now I think there's more likelihood that some of our local employers are going to feel more comfortable about mandating it.
Private employers already had the ability to require the vaccine. Earlier this year, Governor Evers vetoed a bill that would have banned employer-based vaccine mandates. A UW Health principal vaccine investigator, Dr. William Hartman, says even with a shorter timeline for approval, the number of people vaccinated means the process was still sound.
The fact that they had so much data and that it's so overwhelmingly safe and effective, I think should quell people's fears.
With full approval, the Pfizer vaccine is now similar to other vaccines already required in healthcare settings and at schools.
We know historically with other vaccine mandates like the influenza vaccine that typically these are, I would say, better received by our staff following FDA approval.
Thompson notes there are exceptions under the law, and those will still apply to employers.
Their policy is going to have to be flexible for people with sincerely held religious beliefs or bona fide disabilities.
While the state's biggest healthcare employers already have vaccine requirements, Thompson says he expects Monday's announcement to inspire more mandates in other industries. In Madison, AJ Bayapur, 27 News.
The governor's office did not respond when we asked if the Pfizer announcement affects whether they'll require the vaccine for state employees.